Okay, dear students, good morning. Let us start today to understand how profit and loss account as per Companies Schedule 3, Company Act 2013 are prepared. How profit and loss account is prepared. Up to last 3 videos, we had a complete idea about 20-pointer balance sheet. Today I will make it this way. We will understand how to go for 9-pointer PL account, PL format. Fixed format is there. We need not change position of it. You will have to keep in mind each and every item of it. Part 4 we are starting, and highlight of this particular part is that profit and how we understand profit and loss account. Right? Okay, dear students, check what is this 9-pointer, what I am talking about. See, here, like balance sheet is given title, we know PL account is also to be given title, but title to PL account will be given how? Statement of profit and loss for the year ending, okay, of so and so. Company का नाम भी लिखा जाएगा और of the year ending, for the year ending it is to be mentioned. Format almost similar to that of balance sheet. Vertical type of it is because so particulars, note number, amount internal column, amount external column. Right. Now what are included? See here I was seeing a pointer. These are 9 pointers. Notes number. But here if you see first heading is what? Revenue from operations. Here bracket में sales लिखा है जैसे आपको idea है. Here normally sales value is to be inserted. Sales की value यहाँ आती है. Second, other incomes और भी जो पैसे मिलते हैं. In short, these two make the total income of the firm. So 1 plus 2. Here total income is to be noted down in the exterior column. Right? Now after this is first here incomes are written. Sales plus income, total income. 1 plus 2 इन दोनों का total यहाँ लिखा जाता है. Right? Now fourth heading. Fourth head represents what? Expenses. Represents expenses. ये vertical format है. We know trading you used to write first opening stock, then purchases, then direct expenses. अगर मैं trading PL दोनों merge कर दूं क्योंकि कंपनी में ये merged है, in that case here इसके बाद क्या आएगा? अगर आप headings देखो पहले तो उसके हिसाब से PL में पहले financial was shown, नहीं office and administration, financial, then other, like that. So here also how these are presented, please understand. First and foremost, purchases or cost of material consumed. Purchase, that means cost of material consumed. That is noted down here in expenses में पहला क्या आएगा? Purchase. After that changes in stock. Normally opening stock minus closing stock. Okay? नहीं तो सीधा closing stock. So here changes in stock is to be mentioned here. Second. Then direct expenses. मैं अगर आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे दूं तो हम पहले ट्रेडिंग में से जो एक्सपेंस होता है सी चेंजेस इन स्टॉक वही और ट्रेडिंग में ओपनिंग माइनस क्लोजिंग नेट ऐसा लिख रहे हैं. परचेजेस, चेंजेस इन स्टॉक, डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस दैट इज ट्रेडिंग कवर्ड. पीएल फर्स्ट ऑफिस एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, सो दैट आर ऑल एम्प्लॉय बेनिफिट एक्सपेंसेस. एम्प्लॉय से रिलेट करते हुए सारे एक्सपेंसेस यहां लिखे जाते हैं. देन फाइनेंशियल कॉस्ट, then depreciation and amortization, and then other expenses. If you know the heading of PL, of sole proprietorship, even partnership, it is very easy to understand this. Okay, I hope this is very very clear to you. Once again, पहले purchase, then changes in stock, direct. आप अपने साथ सोचते जाओ. फिर ऑफिस वाला सीधा एम्प्लॉइज के लिए तो एम्प्लॉय बेनिफिट एक्सपेंसेस, then financial cost, then depreciation and amortization, then other expenses. Now all these total is reflected. Total expenses, fourth column, outer column here. Then fifth number पे profit before tax. कैसे पता चलेगा? Total incomes minus total expenses will be reflected here. Profit before tax, that is 3 minus 4. stage 3 minus stage 4 का total, that is profit before tax. Okay, and then question में provision for tax 30%, 50%, 25% जितना भी बोला है, provision for tax will be reflected, and then finally profit after tax. Please, again I am telling you, this tax will be reflected here, and then 5 minus 6, here it will be reflected profit after tax. 5 minus 6, here it is not written in bracket, we must write 5 minus 6, and then net amount, profit after tax will be reflected here. So this is a format, you have to by heart this. आप अगर अंडरस्टैंड भी कर सकते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है, अगर इस तरह से समझें. लेट अस गो इन डिटेल. व्हाट आई मीन टू से कि पीएल में जो हेड्स हैं उसमें क्या क्या आता है, यू मस्ट नो इन डिटेल अबाउट इट बिफोर वी गो इनटू प्रैक्टिकल पार्ट ऑफ इट. लाइक से रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस आर नेटेड, सेल्स, नेट सेल्स, sale minus sales return is to be reflected under number 1. Then other incomes, what are normally other incomes? Interest, dividend received, bad debts recover, profit on sale of any asset is also coming under other income head. You must have idea about it. That's why very clearly given in textbook on page number 132. Okay, purchases, how, which purchases? Net, that is total purchase minus purchase return are reflected in the statement of PL. Changes in stock, we have understood. Opening minus closing is mentioned. Then direct expense, कौन से होते हैं डायरेक्ट, वही ट्रेडिंग वाले डायरेक्ट बोलते हैं. वेजेस, कैरेज इनवर्ड, रेलवे फ्रेट, जो ट्रेडिंग वाले खर्चे होते हैं ये डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस आर रिकॉर्डेड इन डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंस. एम्प्लॉय बेनिफिट एक्सपेंस, मैंने वही बोला, ऑफिस एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, जो एम्प्लॉयज को लगते हैं, सैलरी, बोनस, कमीशन, contribution to PF, employee related expenses. Then financial, of course, interest on anything, interest on bond, debenture, public deposit, bank overdraft, short term loan, किसी पे भी interest है तो financial cost. We continue this list. Please see to it that you understand that still our amount is there. What is this next? Depreciation amortization में क्या आएगा? Please understand this very nicely. Bit typical. What it is? In depreciation and amortization, depreciation of fixed asset, not only that much, but any, पहले भी किया है उसमें, any intangible asset is written off. Goodwill, patent, trademark, copyrights, कुछ भी write off होता है, intangible asset is noted down here. Then debenture discount written off is to be noted down here. Then advertisement campaign expenses written off. Research and development expenses written off. Those which are written off in current year are expenses adjusted here, depreciation and amortization. I hope this you understand very well. Not only this much, all other expenses. Other के column में क्या आएगा? Postage, stationery, audit, rent, office and administration, any other sales expenses, bad debts written off, all that are adjusted in this pointer number 9. So you must know what is to be adjusted where. These details we have understood of our particulars. Now let us understand this with one illustration. ठीक है, सबको एक illustration के साथ adjust करें, कैसे classification understand करें, and then we go for a question of a classification. See, I have set in for you 11th illustration of our textbook. Directly it is given of PL. आपको PL as per schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013, you have to give a classification. Okay, like sales, बहुत easy. Sales का है, revenue from operations. Then next salary, very easy. Employee benefit expense, interest and dividend receive, other incomes. Then income from SCAPE, other income. Then depreciation and amortization. Telegram and postage, other expenses. Interest on loan, financial cost. Then bonus, employee benefit expense. Then bank charges also, other expense. Sales expense, other expense. This way, you must know what is to be adjusted here. Now, let us take practical about it. Okay, one practical for understanding same this way. One classification, which is given in textbook. And then one sum to understand full format of PL. Thank you. Okay, we had last explanation by showing the heads of PL through illustration 11. Similar textbook question we are doing. Textbook page number 150, question number 7, page 150. Okay, particulars, heads of, here you have to state the head of the statement of PL. Heads of statement of PL. Let us go for it. Like pehle, last we discussed even, like sales. What is sales? It is reflected as revenue from operations. Right, business का main revenue from operation. Salary, employees को दी जाती है. Definitely it goes to employee benefit expense. Okay. Depreciation, उसका head ही अलग है. Depreciation and amortization okay. Depreciation and amortization expenses. Next, bad debts recovered. See, this is our income. So, other income. Which is this head? Other income head. Then, debenture interest. Debenture interest. हमको pay करना है. It is our financial cost. Under that it will come. Head of statement of PL we are just revising. Audit fee. हमने अभी भी देखा. It was other expenses. Right? Audit fee, other expenses. Income from scrape, that will be other incomes. Other income. Profit on sale of asset, same. Other income we right now discussed. Next, advertisement expense. Oh, so simple it is. Advertisement expenses आप अगर करते हैं, they are other expenses. Other but what? Expenses. Next, contribution to PF, again employee related, employee benefit expense. Interest on OD, very simple, finance cost. Finance cost it is. Bank charges comes under other expenses. Then next in the case category here it is bonus to employees. Again, employee benefit expense. Okay. Next, debenture discount written off. Last, it will come under heading what? Depreciation and amortization expense. Okay. Depreciation and amortization expense. So this way, simply, if you have a knowledge what is to be set under which head we are setting in what expenses, PL preparation becomes very easy. So let us go and prepare with the help of textbook question number 8. Textbook question number 8 we will go and prepare. One practice question we will do. Let us go for it. Question number 8 of textbook. See, I will always suggest keep your format ready. You must be always ready to start up with the question or have a complete format we have prepared. Heading दे देंगे जैसे normally होती है. Here we check the question for that purpose. Here textbook question number 8, page number 151. Check this question 8. Following balances are taken from the books of Patel Limited. Prepare here profit and loss for the year 31/3/2000. Only that is there. As per Companies Act, Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Okay, 9.9 only items are given to you. Here we are supposed to prepare only balance PL account. Only PL. So let us go for preparation of format. Okay. Now I told you what we will do. We will give heading to it कि हम PL account बना रहे हैं. वो heading पहले दे देंगे. Statement of PL क्या देंगे? Statement of I am using short forms. You will not. Profit and loss for the year ended on 31/3/17. of Patel Limited. Now, draw complete. First head, revenue from operations. Second, other income. Third, total income 1 plus 2. Then fourth, expenses. वो भी ऐसे ही. यहाँ पे मैं purchase, changes in stock. Okay. Then employee benefit expenses. Then financial cost. Then depreciation. Then other expenses. Right? Now, total expenses we will mention here as per format. तो यहाँ पे total आएगा. इन सब का total यहाँ पे आएगा. Then profit of before tax we will get income minus expenses. Third point minus fourth. That will be profit before tax. Then we will add or go for provision for tax and then profit after tax. So this way format पहले से बना के रखा है. Let us move on with the items. 9 items are given on it. First one, sale of scrap. Sale of scrap. Naturally it is other income. We will adjust here. Sale of scrap. ऐसे mention करना और नोट मेंशन नहीं अभी करना है अपन को. सीधा अमाउंट इंटीरियर कॉलम 10,500. Right? See, look into the question. After this, cost of material consumed 1,87,500. Again, it is same purchases or cost of goods. Here we will write down 1,87,500. Okay. Next, item number 3, salary 87,000. Again, employee benefit expense है ये. इधर यहाँ पे employee benefit expense में जाके ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे salary और amount is given to you 78,000. Next, here in textbook it is given interest paid 9,000. अब जब interest paid है तो ये हमारा expense तो है, okay? बट कैसा ही expense होगा ये? फाइनेंस से रिलेट करता हुआ. अगेन कॉमन सेंस की बात है. फाइनेंस कॉस्ट के आगे लिखेंगे आप इंटरेस्ट पेड. यू मस्ट राइट हियर and then adjust rupees 9,000 front of it. Okay. Next item, if we check here, it is given sales 3,81,000. Very simple. Revenue from operations bracket में लिख सकते हैं आप sales and this amount is 3,81,000. Okay. Next item here, number 6, changes in stock of finished goods 12,000. That is, again, here, change in stock is given to you directly. 12,000. Opening stock minus, normally we show it. Changes in stock we show. Opening minus closing. Here, direct it is given of finished goods. We have entered directly. Practice question as it is. Next, office and administration charges. Okay, and then depreciation. So simple. Office and administration जो है, वो आप कहाँ दिखाएंगे? अदर एक्सपेंसेस. तो अदर एक्सपेंस में ब्रैकेट डाल के ऑफिस एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. सिर्फ एम्प्लॉय वाले यहाँ आएंगे, बाकी ऑडिट, बाकी ऑफिस की कोई भी खर्चे हैं, सेल्स का कोई खर्चा है इधर आता है. प्लीज नोट दैट वेरी नाइसली. यू मस्ट नॉट हैव कंफ्यूजन इन दिस. एंड दिस एक्सपेंसेस आर 15,000. Not only this much, 8 number shows depreciation and depreciation is of 84,000. So enter here directly depreciation 84,000. See, I want to show you this. On 9 number they have given you provision for tax. What it is given? Provision for tax. कितना percent? 30%. So adjust it. No problem. Provision for tax here on number 6 provision for tax here. You will write here 30% of profit. किसका 30%? प्रॉफिट का. तो प्रॉफिट जानने के लिए पहले इनकम में से एक्सपेंसेस माइनस करेंगे तो प्रॉफिट आएगा. उसका बिफोर टैक्स उसका 30% हम प्रोविजन, फिर उसको माइनस करके नेट प्रॉफिट या प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स फाइंड करेंगे. सो लेट अस, दिस क्वेश्चन इज कंप्लीट. लेट अस गो फॉर द शटडाउन. शटडाउन में पहले क्या करेंगे? क्लोज इनकम्स एंड टेक बैलेंस आउटसाइड. इनकम को क्लोज करेंगे और बैलेंस इसका 3 लाख इसके बिल्कुल सामने. दिस जस्ट टू प्रेजेंट यू आई एम शोइंग 3,91,500. सो सिंपल, इट इज गिवन 3,91,500. एंड दिस इज इनकम. ऊपर को जस्ट ब्रिंग हियर डबल लाइन टू ब्लॉक इट. total revenues, 1 plus 2, total revenues. Okay. Now, on fourth, we have got, this is third. Fourth, we have got expenses. Now, close expenses and find total of expenses here. Closing करें हम expenses का और total of expenses comes to 3,86,100. Mention here 3,86,100 and block it also. Please see this. You will block 3 lakh total expense करके expenses को भी हम क्या कर देंगे? Block. See in this screen I am trying to show you. In revenue or expense दोनों आपको मिल गए. Now stage number 5, profit before tax, that is stage 3 minus stage 4. Stage 3 minus stage 4. So you will get profit before tax and that profit is coming 5400. Now इसका 30% tax हो जाएगा. 30% of this profit before tax. Now 30% of it comes to 1620. 1620 आप यही मेंशन करेंगे. Again, profit after tax will be, profit after tax you okay how? 5 minus 6. Single line to block it here. And then to get the profit after tax, this minus this. 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 stage, it gives you 3780 and then block it. This is final we have received. Profit after tax. Very simple. This is statement of PL separately practice. Okay. I will give you illustrations for which you will do practice. Now, we have idea of both now. Balance sheet as well as PL. We will do one question to complete question in next session to understand it completely. But before that, you will practice out what we have understood today. Okay? PL वाला आप practice करेंगे. So, all of you, please see that you do. मैंने भले आपको explain किया. Illustration. You will do illustration number 11 for practice of PL classification. किस head के अंदर आता है. Then even illustration number you will do 12 and 13 for complete PL format explanation. Okay, जैसे अभी किया. Okay, so 3 questions you do as homework and then we meet in next session where we do full question. Normally in board, PL and balance sheet both are asked together, which we will do in last lecture, next part. Okay, and 11 marker question it is. Fixed format है, fixed चीजें हैं. It is very easy to get those 11 marks. Okay, so thank you for today. Tomorrow complete question we will do of final accounts of company. Thank you. Bye-bye.